Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Handmade by Gardena and I have a share with you. This is by Cara Creations and this is her new Honeybee and Lavender kit. And it is 50% off until February the 9th, and I am going to do a journal with this kit, and I've decided to do a flip through with you before I do the journal. So this is page 1. You have a bee here with some writing here, and you got some, I've double-sided it, so you have some pretty lavender with some flowers here on the background. And then here you have some ephemera on both sides with some lavender and some pretty florals on the background. On the reverse side of this, you have some honeycomb with some bees. On this, you have some flowers with the beehive, with some gorgeous flowers, with some little bees through here, and some lined paper. And this is the purple with the, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with the hexagon. I thought it was a hexagon, but I couldn't remember. And it's lavender. And it is so pretty. I love this lavender hexagons. And it looks like it has some little flowers. That's real faint in the background of this too. This is a gorgeous kit. Here's the next page with some different beehives and some florals. I know those are morning glories. Even though I'm named after a flower, I don't know all the names of flowers. There's some different types of bees. That's another of the lavender. Those are sunflowers. And I believe those are lilacs, I think. Those are a type of daisies. Have some more bees in the background. Those could possibly be marigolds. And here is some yellow or honey-colored hexagons with some real light bees in it, if you can see it. Has a light colored bee on it for you to journal on when you go on the back of it. And here's some more lilac with some hexagons and some bees. This is a stunning kit. I can't wait to do a journal with it. Up here, she put the ephemera on the top, a little bit down here and on the side here. And then you can sort of journal on the bottom here. And then here's some more facts about honey. Some more florals here and bees. And in the background, there's some faint, like, looks like stamping of postage stamps and labels and things like that. Here's a lined paper with some lilac. It's a beautiful kit. And here is another background page. It's a little bit darker purple, and it has some floral on the back. It's a beautiful background page. I like it. It's probably my favorite background page. Here would make a beautiful center page with some pretty flowers all the way across and some bees going across. And that's that background again. This would make a pretty center page also, with flowers on both sides all the way across with some bees. And then here you have one big giant bee, which you can put that in the center too. So it's sort of light, so you can journal over top of it if you would like. And here you have the darker bees. They're a darker bee set. And then this is the ephemera, and I have them on cardstock. You have a pocket with some journaling cards, postcard here. Here's a little cutout with 2 tags, which you can stack these tags on top of each other. Here's some labels, some cutouts. This could be a journaling card. Honey jars, some bees. It's just a very pretty kit. Can't wait to get started. Here's some labels and some bees, some journaling cards, some labels here, a ticket, some flowers, different types of bees. And then she made a collage page, which with like the 12 days of Christmas digis and the 5 days of Valentine digis, she did collage pages and everyone liked them. So she decided to do one with this kit, so you could leave it whole or you could take pieces of it and use it by itself, or just however. There's hundreds of different ways that you could use this page. Beehives, honey jar, another honey jar, another hive, some bees, tons of florals. It's very pretty. Here's her tags. There's 3 large tags. Here, with some bees on them. And here's some, looks like a ad for lavender, perfume lavender, which lavender smells so good. Here's some more tags, which has all floral on them. And these tags would be really good to layer up or to decorate with and everything. And then she has the small page of, or a page of the small tags. And there's 6 of them. So that is her kit of honeybee and lavender kit. And it is 50% off until Tuesday, February the 9th. And it's by Cara Brandon Creations. And I am 5 people away from getting 100 subbies. And when I complete this journal is going to be my giveaway for my 100 subscribers. So I just need 5 more people. And when I get those 5 more people, I will put up a video saying that I have 100 subscribers, and I will complete this journal, do a flip through of the journal. I'm doing this for Cara Brandon, and I want to thank her very much for the opportunity and of her allowing me to do a journal with this kit. It's a beautiful kit, and I hope I can do her justice. But I want to pay it forward and give this to one of my subscribers for reaching 100 subscribers. I just need 5 more. If I can get 5 more, then this will be my journal that I will do a giveaway for. So I want to thank all of my new subscribers. Welcome back, all of my returning subscribers. Thank you all so very much. I appreciate each and every one of you all. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I would have never thought that I would have been 95 subscribers. I would have never thought I would have reached that, let alone close to 100. I would have thought maybe 5. So I'm so very excited. And this will be the first time that I've done a journal for someone else. So I want to thank Cara Brandon Creations for that, for giving me the opportunity to make a journal with her beautiful digital kit. I very much appreciate it. And again, thank all my subscribers. Please share this video. Send them over to Cara Brandon Creations to get this kit 50% off. It's a beautiful kit. A lot of people loves to do bee journals, and it's really pretty. Be really pretty for spring. And like I said, this is going to be my 100 subscriber giveaway journal. I will do a flip through when it's completed. I will let you all know when I reach 100 subscribers. So to tell you what you need to do to be eligible to get this journal. And I want to wish you all a good day. Make sure to have your let's go up to 2 minutes of happiness, of your happy thoughts and your smiles. Think of a happy memory, a funny story, a funny movie, anything, just as long as you're happy for at least 2 minutes a day. Pass that along to at least one other person. Give them a happy moment. And everyone stay safe and healthy. And thank you all so much. And I will see you later. Goodbye.